Ever since I've been a kid, I've always had one dream. That dream was to one day own a BMW. I'd buy every car magazine, search all over the internet and memorize every spec of every car. I knew all the engines, 0 to 60, top speeds, everything a kid could know about. When I got older, I started working pretty early on. All I wanted was to buy a BMW. I worked really hard for 3 years, took a lot of risk, and I was lucky enough to get a dream car at only 19 years old, a BMW 520d. I can still remember the feeling like it was yesterday. It didn't last long enough though. I definitely wasn't ready to own and afford this car. After only 1 month, I had to get rid of it. It was heartbreaking. A year passed. This time I was ready. I learned from my mistakes. I started looking for cars, and after some time, suddenly, this exact car that I had 1 year before was up for sale again. I took no time, but I bought it right away. I loved the car that much. I've had a lot of memories in the past 3 years with this car. I drove it every day for around 100,000 kilometers. 4 years has passed from the day that I first drove this car, and it's time to move on. Today, I'm selling what was one day my dream car. Okay, so the F10 is sold, and this might be one of the last times I ever drive this car. Driving it to the workshop that I always send my car to, he's gonna do some finishing touches on the car. It's been a journey, very exhausting at times. Even selling the car, the process of selling it and finding the right buyer. Just wanted to share it here and let this be on the internet forever. Okay, the buyer is on his way. It's 8:45 a.m. I can't believe this day is here. Lots of memories with this car, lots of emotions that I'm trying to block. I can see the buyer right there coming over. It's time to say goodbye, move on to bigger and better things. So, how does it feel without a car?
Weird. Let's just walk back
And you
home.
walking back home?
Yes!
Bye, have a good time. Have fun walking.
Yeah.
Hey, I can drop you on my bike. I have a motorbike, you know?